replacing some of my tape and glue with this 3D printed stuff, PETG, instead of the material and plastic. I'm trying to make a replacement, so I'll rip a piece of this off and then I'll make this new side with this, just so I can get more rigidity from my A-pillar construction, and I can get rid of these straps eventually when I complete this whole side, and then I'll have to pull this tape off and do that side too. And there's me blue Dynaudio voice coil sitting in there. And this bit here, wait till it dries. It's still hot. But yeah, I'm just trying to stop this flex. Still got a tiny bit there. Maybe just, I'm going to fill that in across here. But yeah, I'll just keep going here for a bit more. Maybe extend that lip down a bit. It'll get some planar width to the piece. So this 3D pen PETG stuff is pretty amazing. It astonishes me as to how hard it actually becomes the more layers you use. So I was usually just doing those cages for the pods, and this is really the first big structural attempt I've done. I did actually do the controller holder, which was kind of thick, maybe 3 or 4 mil thick. But this all this part around the screws and stuff is like a centimeter or so in thickness, and actually just melt the PETG around the screws just to add that extra stability into the other pieces. And here I'm just making pieces float above sections. You just put a bit of backing tape in. Yeah, so maybe it looks like some sort of alien civilization came down and started taking over our world, but it's kind of therapeutic. I eventually fill that space where that hole is in the wood. As you can hear, it's almost like ABS in a way, like whatever the speaker's made out of kind of thing. And this next section, I'll just be doing some unedited 3D penning for you, so you can get your 3D pen fix. So here's a section that's only a few strands thick to start with, and we'll build it up a fair bit. So if you want to forward on to about 8 minutes, I show some results.
Something new, trying out stuff is really cool. Didn't know we knew, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. 3D pen, something new, trying out stuff is really cool. Didn't know we knew, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. 3D pen, something new, trying out stuff is really cool. It didn't know we knew, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. 3D pen, something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. You didn't know we knew, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. 3D pen, something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. You didn't know we knew, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. I'm gonna pen anyway. 3D pen, something new, trying
Pan something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. Everyone new, but that's okay. I'm gonna do this 3D pen anyway. 3D pen something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. The J-Man, chillin', don't trip that, chillin'. That's really that you have a bird. Oh, some star loves that a bird. Baby, when one freaky thing that did that. That too, hey. There's something to you, Jay. Said the beauty we are love. There's a breathing and about a meal, about it to stand. We don't know do it too late. Pretty pants, something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. And creepy thing that did that. That too late. Took this up the TV chat. Said the beauty we all know is a breathing. And about a meal, about it to stand. They don't even go do it too late. 3D pen, something new, trying out stuff, it's really cool. Yeah.
So I'm about to rejoin the aperiodic section to the sidewall section that's been newly hand printed, and to make this whole thing stick together with this backboard I had to do more than this piece. I did the whole inner framework around the actual driver magnet. At one point the driver magnet and the backboard are fused together by this little piece of bridging material, and the here back flying buttress almost to the supporting piece again. And then I had to make supports for the actual high, mid and tweet, which is now kind of covered up by the absorbent material. So this is the chamber for the 3-inch, various levels of foam. It's much stronger than the old sticky tape and glue, which had its place, but it didn't have this structural rigidity that this hard plastic PETG has. It's like really hard stuff. You could probably redo the whole thing. That would be a lot of work. So as far as this temporary build goes, we're getting semi-permanent, and until it's time to change up the whole speakers, I'm going to stick with this for a while. I can quite easily, I've got another set of these, and it's only 2 screws. I could just build a whole new pair of units, try 3-way, 4-way, different brand speakers, whatever. Ditch the 6-inch idea, maybe a 4-inch, that sort of thing. So just one piece of tape, bit of super glue, maybe gush it underneath the edge there onto the PLA, and then another bit of tape, probably just enough. That's the wet glue straight on. Mainly it's about keeping the tape taped. And now you can just imagine a song about going to a market. Do 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 do, going to the market. Do 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 do, walking around. You know, that sort of thing. Okay, catch you later guys, and enjoy yourselves. See you in the next one.